In this video, I will show you how to pay with Klarna on eBay. To do this, simply go and open up the Klarna app, and from the home screen, what you want to do is click on the search bar and simply go to search for eBay. Then click eBay, and from there, going to click on continue to eBay. Now here, sign into your account if you already have an account, or sign up if you don't have one. You can just click on the account section in the top, and here sign in or sign up. And then what you want to do is just go to whatever you want to buy. So I'll just add something to my cart for this example. And then from there you will need to select where it needs to be shipped. And after that, under payment, you will need to select a payment method. Now in the payment method section, you just want to go and click on Klarna. So you can see Klarna is actually here twice. So with one of them you need to pay after 30 days, I think, and the other one is in installments. So you can just select whichever one you want. Now if Klarna does not show up as a payment option for you, then you want to click on a credit or debit card, and then in the bottom of the screen click on Pay with Klarna and click Create a one-time card. Then here just choose how much you are spending, so for example 200 euros, then click Continue, and from there click Agree and Create Card. And then you will get some card details, just like any normal card, that you can then use to pay with on eBay. So after you use that card, you will of course need to pay it back. So you can then find it in the payment section under the total you owe, and you can then click on it to pay it back over time. So that's how to pay with Klarna on eBay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.